We're here at the Northeast Jet Center to surprise Scott for his upcoming birthday. He believes he's on his way to film a Polish pop-up dinner. Yeah, Polish pop-up dinner on a Tuesday? You kidding me? Anyway, so he'll be here any second, and you guys get to see his reaction.
What do we want?
Quick, what do you think you're doing today?
In the air.
You sure? You sure you don't think you're filming a Polish dinner?
When we turned right, I was like, where the hell are we going? This isn't even...
What do you think's happening today?
I hope we're going in the air.
You sure?
Now that I saw you on the corner.
What if we were just here to pick up some Polish sausages to take to the dinner?
We're going to be doing helicopter with the smaller sausage.
What do you think was happening when you came down closer to this area?
Yeah.
No, he doesn't know the area, so I had to...
That's what we were counting on.
When we took the right, I was like,
this is not...
for a house, like, in an industrial area. And then I saw the airplane, I was like, no, I saw your ass first. And I'm like, why is he here? I thought he was working today.
All right, so how was the pickup?
That's why we had to be exactly adamant at 3.
Yeah, and actually, so what do you think's happening then?
Well, I would hope if we're in an airport that we're going in the air. I would hope so. What?
I guess we'll see.
Alright, I was totally surprised.
That's where we're going. Yeah, I made sure to tell Maria, like, no extra affection, just in case he would be on. Like, told him we had something planned that was going to involve being airborne, and
we're not talking about vitamin C supplement?
but I have one more surprise. This is something that even Igor didn't know.
Oh, shit.
So just get together.
Coming out of the closet?
No. So I have one question for you guys. What do you think that we're doing today?
Going up in the air?
Yes.
On a helicopter?
Igor, did you already tell him since you pulled up? No, I mean since you pulled up. Did you tell him that we're going in a helicopter?
Well, I kind of mentioned the...
He didn't actually say that.
Igor only knows half of what's happening today.
Okay. Are we jumping after? Are we jumping out of the helicopter?
Yes.
Are we jumping out of the helicopter?
So we're here at the Jet Center. Only one person kind of knew what was going on. One person had no idea what was going on.
Yes.
I know everything that's going on. Today, we're jumping out of a plane.
Oh, shit. No way.
No way.
No way.
Really?
Are you serious?
Igor, let me ask you something. Who put this thing together?
You did.
What was my first idea for getting together?
All right.
All right.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
No.
We're going in a helicopter.
I mean, either way, we're going
I just want to check. You guys stole your stuff yet? Let me see. Anybody shit some pants? Everything's good? Okay, everything's good, and we're